Here's what you'll need for my butternut squash soup. Some bay leaves, an onion, large carrot or 2 smaller carrots, some garlic, optional, I love garlic so I put it in there, plus it's healthy, stock, some honey, star of the show, and some apple cider vinegar. The first thing we're going to do is peel the veg. Now squashes are pretty difficult to just peel on their own, so prick it with a fork and then stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes. You'll find it a lot easier to peel. When it's come out of the microwave, cut the end off, then hold it by its bulbous end and just peel. And it's the same treatment for the other end. Take the end off and take the rest of the peel off. To cut it, get your knife in, again you're holding the fat end, just go down, then turn it onto its fat end, and because you've already cut the end off there, it should be quite sturdy, and then down again. Then all that's left is to scoop out your pips with a spoon. Then you're going to chop it into little chunks along with your other veg and get out your pan. With your veg chopped and prepared into a pan, you're going to heat up some oil. And you're just going in with your sage. You're just going to let them fry for a couple of minutes just to infuse the oil with the sage flavour. When your sage leaves about a minute, time to gingerly get them out of the pan. You're going to throw them away. Then into the oil, you go in with your onion, carrot and squash. Give them a stir around so the oil gets everywhere. And then on a low heat, cover them with a lid and leave them for 5 minutes or so just to soften down. When your veg, about a few minutes, softening down and steaming, time to go in with as much or as little garlic as you'd like. Stir that in and then just give it a minute. You don't want to cook garlic too much, so get it in there, pop the lid back on, leave that for a minute. When your garlic's had a minute, it's time to go in with a litre of chicken stock. And into there, you go in with a good glug of your apple cider vinegar and a good tablespoon of honey. Last but not least, you're going in with some salt and freshly cracked black pepper. And it's back on with a lid and simmer that for at least 30 minutes until everything's really softened down. When your veg have finished simmering away, turn them off the heat and give them 10 minutes just to cool down that little centimetre so that they're not boiling hot, because you're going to put them into a blender. So everything into a blender and get them blitzed up. Once you've got it blended, I'm going to put it through a fine mesh sieve, because butternut squash can be quite fibrous, so just to make it that little bit extra smooth, put it through a fine mesh sieve, and then if you want to go the whole hog you can add cream to it, but it's beautiful as it is. And look lovely autumn soup.